This is the Marianda King's Villa cottage, 2 bedroom. This is the outside sitting area. And this is the living room. Along with the living area, you have the dining table. And then this is the common area to sit outside. It's nice, got 4 chairs. Nice view. And then we have 2 bedrooms here. This is the first one. This is outside sitting area. Nice. The view. This is the bathroom. And this is the common sitting area, study tables are there. This is another bedroom with the same sitting area. It has same view of bathroom. Right, there's extra cot here.